viewers, we have breaking news coming in right now in the illegal betting app case. Now, former cricketer Robin Uthappa has been summoned on 22nd of September. So this is the illegal betting app case, and number of cricketers as well as many stars from the film industry have been called in the case. And now former cricketer Robin Uthappa has been summoned on September 22nd. So remember, these illegal betting apps have been under the scanner, and number of film stars and also cricketers have been called who have been promoting these betting apps, and they have been there are indications of the PMLA that is the case being looked at. And Robin Uthappa, who is a former Indian cricketer, has also now been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate. So the ED is looking into the money laundering charges as well as betting apps are concerned, and they are looking into the allegations if illegal money was made by the use of these illegal apps. Gopi, my colleague, is now joining us for more details. Gopi, what updates do you have? Now we understand Robin Uthappa has also been called by the Enforcement Directorate. Where is the investigation headed?
Well, in fact, Aishwarya, we need to understand that previously also on September 4th, it was Shikhar Dhawan, former cricketer, who was called by the Enforcement Directorate. And speaking also of Suresh Raina, who was summoned in the month of August. I'm standing right outside the ED office, and if we can tell our viewers that we are awaiting Urvashi Rautela has also been summoned today. She will be here in some time, while Ankush Hazra is also inside. That is what we are learning from our sources. But as you've correctly mentioned, there are over 29 celebrities, which includes actors as well as former cricketers, who have been involved into this illegal betting app, and they are being called by ED. The investigation is underway, and let's tell our viewers that when Shikhar Dhawan was here, it was over 8 hours of grilling done by ED to the former cricketer Shikhar Dhawan. While also to tell our viewers, this is regarding evading taxes, as well as this case has been filed under PMLA. So all eyes would be towards what kind of probe is underway inside the ED, wherein we have seen that Ankush Hazra is inside, and we are expecting Urvashi Rautela will be here in some time. And on 22nd September, it will be former cricketer Robin Uthappa who has been summoned to ED. Back to you.
All right, Gopi, thank you so much for all those updates there.